Here are 50 daily use sentences about English as a favorite subject. 1. I enjoy reading English literature. 2. English helps me express my thoughts clearly. 3. I love writing essays and stories in English. 4. My favorite novel is written in English. 5. Learning new English words is exciting. 6. Grammar rules make the language so structured. 7. Do you know the meaning of this idiom? 8. English poetry is so beautiful and deep. 9. I like practicing English pronunciation. 10. Shakespeare's plays are timeless masterpieces. 11. Reading English newspapers improves my vocabulary. 12. I enjoy listening to English audiobooks. 13. The English alphabet is simple yet powerful. 14. Learning English helps in communication globally. 15. I enjoy solving English crossword puzzles. 16. Do you know any synonyms for this word? 17. English essays challenge my creativity. 18. I love exploring English short stories. 19. English grammar is fun once you understand it. 20. I enjoy watching English movies with subtitles. 21. English improves my confidence in speaking. 22. I love discussing literature in English class. 23. Writing in English feels so natural. 24. English is such a versatile language. 25. I enjoy reading English novels during my free time. 26. Do you know how to use this phrase in English? 27. English songs help me learn pronunciation. 28. I like practicing English conversation with friends. 29. Punctuation adds clarity to English writing. 30. Reading English books broadens my perspective. 31. Learning English idioms is so fun. 32. I enjoy debates in English class. 33. English literature introduces me to different cultures. 34. My favorite subject in school is English. 35. Reading in English is a great way to relax. 36. I love exploring the meanings of English proverbs. 37. I practice English writing daily to improve. 38. English poetry helps me appreciate emotions. 39. My favorite writer is an English author. 40. English grammar quizzes are so interesting. 41. Writing in English helps me organize my thoughts. 42. I enjoy learning English through storytelling. 43. English plays are so entertaining to perform. 44. Reading aloud in English improves fluency. 45. English helps me connect with people worldwide. 46. I enjoy participating in English speech competitions. 47. I love the flexibility of the English language. 48. English assignments always challenge my creativity. 49. I enjoy learning about the history of the English language. 50. English inspires me to become a better writer.